Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and software. Make sure your computer runs the latest Finder or iTunes and you have the correct cable. Once done, power down the iPad and connect it while holding the device-specific button to enter recovery mode so the computer detects it for restore. Do this now. It forces the iPad to accept a fresh firmware install. Make sure battery is above 20% or plugged in to avoid interruptions during the restore. You now use Finder or iTunes to restore the iPad. Select Restore when the device appears in recovery mode. This downloads the appropriate IPSWA and fully erases the device. While it downloads and installs, keep the cable connected and avoid interrupting the process because a partial install can brick the device. If the download stalls, try a different USB port, cable, or computer, and once the restore completes, the iPad will reboot to setup screens. After the restore, you proceed through the setup assistant. If activation lock appears, know why. It requires the original Apple ID to unlock. This is a security feature tied to Find My. If you cannot sign in, gather proof of purchase and contact Apple support to request removal. They will verify ownership before helping. If the restore or setup errors continue, try DFU mode, a different computer, or visit an Apple-authorized service for hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.